आसाम श्री बीरेंद्र प्रसाद बैश्य।
Honorable members, Shri Birendra Prasad Bash is a former Union Cabinet Minister for Steel and Mines. He is now beginning his third term in this august House. He has held key leadership roles within his party and in National Sports Administration, including as President of Weightlifting Federation of India and Vice President of the Indian Olympic Association. Bash has also contributed regularly to journals and newspapers on socio-political issues and remains deeply engaged in political and social work in Assam. Shri Birendra Prasad Bash.
মই শ্ৰী বীৰেন্দ্ৰ প্ৰসাদ বৈশ্যই ৰাজ্যসভাৰ সদস্য নিৰ্বাচিত হোৱাত ঈশ্বৰৰ নামত শপত কওঁ যে বিধিৰ দ্বাৰা স্থাপন কৰা ভাৰতৰ সংবিধানৰ প্ৰতি মই প্ৰকৃত নিষ্ঠা পোষণ কৰিম। মই ভাৰতৰ প্ৰভুত্ব আৰু অখণ্ডতা অক্ষুণ্ণ ৰাখিম আৰু মই গ্ৰহণ কৰিব ধৰা কৰ্তব্য শ্ৰদ্ধাপূৰ্বক নিৰ্বাহন কৰিম।
Congratulations. I wish you the best.
श्री कनाद पुरकायस्थ।
Shri Kanad Purkayasth represents the state of Assam in the Rajya Sabha. He hails from Barak Valley. He is the son of Shri Kabinder Purkayasth, a veteran BJP leader from Assam and former Union Minister. Shri Purkayasth has been actively involved in public life with a keen interest in education, literature and social issues. Shri Kanad Purkayasth.
अहम कनाद पुरकायस्थः यह राज्यसभाया सदस्यत्वेन निर्वाचितः अस्मि ईश्वरस्य नाम्ना सपे यद् अहं विधिना स्थापितं भारतस्य संविधानं प्रति सत्यां श्रद्धां निष्ठां च धारयिष्ये तथा भारतस्य प्रभुताम् अखण्डतां च अक्षुण्णं रक्षिष्यामि तथा यद् पद ग्रहीतुम् अहम् उद्दातोऽस्मि तस्य कर्तव्यानि श्रद्धापूर्वकं निर्वक्ष्यामि।
Nominated Dr. Meenakshi Jain.
Dr. Meenakshi Jain is a noted historian and a former associate professor of history at Delhi University. Her areas of research include cultural and religious developments in medieval and early modern India. Her work in the fields of education, literature, history and political science have enriched academic discourse. In 2020, Dr. Meenakshi Jain received the Padma Shri Award in recognition of her academic contributions. Dr. Meenakshi Jain.
I, Meenakshi Jain, having been nominated a member of the Council of States, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
श्री सी सदानंदन मास्टर।
Shri C. Sadanandan Master, a retired teacher, devoted social worker. He embodies resilience, integrity, and a life of dedicated public service. After losing his both legs in a brutal act of political violence in 1994, he remained steadfast in his pursuit of peace and national commitment. Revered as Master or Mashai, he has emerged as a guiding light against ideological extremism and has been an inspiration through his contributions to education, public life, and intellectual discourse. Shri C. Sadanandan Master.
ഞാൻ സി സദാനന്ദൻ മാസ്റ്റർ രാജ്യസഭയിലെ അംഗമായി നാമനിർദ്ദേശം ചെയ്യപ്പെട്ടിരിക്കുന്നതിനാൽ നിയമം വഴി നിലവിൽ വന്ന ഭാരതത്തിൻ്റെ ഭരണഘടനയോട് നിർവ്യാജമായ വിശ്വസ്തതയും കൂറും പുലർത്തുമെന്നും ഭാരതത്തിൻ്റെ പരമാധികാരവും അഖണ്ഡതയും ഉയർത്തിപ്പിടിക്കുമെന്നും ഞാൻ ഏറ്റെടുക്കുവാൻ പോകുന്ന കർത്തവ്യം വിശ്വസ്തയോടുകൂടി നിർവഹിക്കുമെന്നും ദൈവനാമത്തിൽ സത്യം ചെയ്യുന്നു.
श्री हर्षवर्धन श्रृंगला।
Shri Harshvardhan Shringla is a former Foreign Secretary of India and India's ambassador to the United States, Bangladesh and Thailand. He was also Chief Coordinator of India's G20 presidency. Additionally, as President and founder of the Darjeeling Welfare Society, he has led several philanthropic initiatives in underprivileged areas of Darjeeling and Siliguri. Shri Harshvardhan Shringla.
मैं हर्षवर्धन श्रृंगला, जो राज्यसभा का सदस्य नाम निर्देशित हुआ हूं, ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगा तथा जिस पद को मैं ग्रहण करने वाला हूं, उसके कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक निर्वहन करूंगा।